Hey guys, Sunday, January 7th of 2024. Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. We'll go over that. Let's take a look at the monthly to get the big picture. This is the master Excel chart that comes with the book that lets you look uh, anywhere in the year 2024. All the data for 2024 is loaded in here. So what you do with this sheet, at the very top of the sheet, there's a drop down tab in the yellow box here. You can set the date where you want the plots to start. So I'm setting it for 1/7. So the 24-hour chart shows 1/7. That's that day from midnight to midnight. And then there's two charts, the early AM chart and then the afternoon evening chart splits the day into two 12-hour periods to dial in a little bit. Then we have the 2-hour chart where you can go in here to this drop down tab and select any 2-hour period on this day, and it'll plot you the gray line, which gives you some of the tighter moves and pivot points. Anyway, here's our chart for the week from 1/7 through, it goes through 1/13, but Friday's the 12th. And then looking at the monthly, the bigger picture, you can see where we are now. We had the downward pressure stopping, and it's turning up today. The market doesn't open till 1800 tonight, right about where this upside pressure is going to end. And this is actually going to end at about 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. So that's where this bigger down move is going to come in, and this move is going to be down all the way into the 10th at 1600, and then we're going to have upside pressure till 2300 on the 11th, and then we'll be down Friday all day from there until we come into the weekend next week. On the weekly view, you can see that it tightens in your time frame where the actual peak is going to be at 9 o'clock on the green line, which is your all planets line. So that will be the high point peak for the week. So the upward pressure is going to end there. Then we're going to go all the way down to the 10th. And 1600 was pretty good. Yeah, right there. And then we're up. We've got the flat top here on the 12th at around midnight. The blue line, moon peaks out at 2200 right at the beginning of the green line peak. So where you get the lines in sync, generally stronger. And then you can see we're down through the day Friday. So looking for some sync points here. The green line turns down here. The blue line peaks and turns down here. So this area from Monday into Tuesday. A lot of downward pressure on both lines. You know how to recognize the peaks and valleys. Again, slight bump up on the green line here on Tuesday. That's going down. The moon peaks out about 1 a.m. and both of those lines are down and in sync. And then when both lines are in sync to the upside, Wednesday at the end of the day session around 1800 hours when the evening session is going again, both lines are moving up until the blue line peaks here at 8 a.m. on the 11th. That's a fast sharp move down till about 11 a.m. and then both lines are in sync till we get the blue and green line peak late on the 11th, and then as we get to the early morning of the 12th, we've got downward pressure on both lines till 8 a.m. on Friday. Then the lines diverge, but the planetary pressure is strong, and the moon line is sort of flattening out and chopping around the zero line. So those are your main potential trend and pressure points. You can see where the blue line peaks and valleys are on the time chart at the zero line. So there's the potential activity for the 7th through the 12th.